Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and today my followers choose my makeup. So if you guys want to see how I got this look and what you guys chose, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so let's get started. I just washed my hair, so I'm letting it air dry a little bit before I start diffusing. This is my first time washing my hair after my Diva cut, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to see the results. Okay, anyway, Kendra, stop getting distracted, Lord. So for brows, you guys chose shadow. So 69% of you guys chose shadow and 31% chose pomade. So guess what? I'm doing shadow, which I wanted to do shadow anyways. For shadow, I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Ultimate Brow Palette, and it looks like this. And this thing is it's bomb. It's bomb. I typically like to go in with this shade, and I know it looks super light, but honestly it's like the perfect shade for me. If not, if I want to do a little bit darker, like right now my eyebrows are super dark, I'll use this shade right. Ooh, that looks so dark on camera. What? Okay, I'll use this shade right here. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with this one, and I'm gonna use this angled, well, it's a double-sided brush where you got a spoolie and an angle brush on the other side, and I'm gonna fill in my brows. So that's all I'm gonna do. So this one's filled in, this one's not filled in yet. It's not much to do with my eyebrows. Honestly, I could just leave them, but I like to give them a little bit more shape, I guess. And I'm actually not gonna shape them because with shadow, I usually don't have to because I had a lot more control than with a pencil, if that makes any sense to anybody. Works for me, I don't know. So far, it seems like you guys chose a really natural look for me. So one, this video is gonna go by kind of fast, I think. And two, I don't feel like I have to do much because you guys chose something chill. But anyways, moving on to foundation. Let me see what you guys chose. I think I already know actually. So for foundation, I had the options of my MAC foundation or my Makeup Forever foundation, and you guys chose MAC. So 65% of you chose MAC and 35% of you chose Makeup Forever. So MAC it is. MAC is what I use all the time anyway. And just so you know, the MAC shade that I am in NC35. I'm just going to dot this around. My face is like, I have a little bit of a breakout situation happening over there. I'm not sure why. And I'm just gonna take my Real Technique sponge and just blend that in. It's been raining so much in New York City. Why? Rain is good though. It's a good sound to meditate to. I forgot to ask you guys about concealer. So I'm just gonna use my Milk Makeup Concealer, and this is the Flex Concealer in Light. Okay, so to set my concealer, I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics You Sculpted palette. I'm going to use the matte highlight from there and take my sponge and set my concealer. Okay, and now to set my entire face and also add an extra layer of coverage, I'm just going to use my MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation, and this is an NC 35. If you've never applied your powders with a sponge, I definitely recommend that you try it. It does, if you're, I guess, just starting out, it does take some practice because there's a certain amount of pressure that can either be not good and it can ruin your makeup. So it takes like a little bit of practice. It's really all about using light pressure. Even when you press it into your powder, it's all about using light pressure. I really don't even press into it. I just put it on the powder and then just swirl it around and it picks up on the sponge. And then when I put it on my skin, I'm just like lightly patting it. If I were to really press this into my skin like super hard, because it's a damp sponge, it's gonna create like, it's gonna like patch up, because I've done this like years ago when I first started applying with a sponge. I used to do this with my beauty blender all the time, and it would just ruin my makeup. Even when I used to set or bake under my eyes and everything, it was just horrendous, and it'll always mess up my makeup look. So it really does take a certain amount of pressure, but the plus is that your face isn't going to look powdery because this is a damp sponge that you're using to apply your powders. It's going to look like skin. Okay, so my options for eyeshadow were bold slash bright or simple slash natural. You guys chose simple slash natural by a landslide, okay? 73% of you chose simple slash natural and 27% of you chose bold and bright. I feel like I always do simple and natural, but you know what? If that's what you guys want, fine. I'll do that. I'm gonna use my Il Makiage Color Boss Squad in The Real Deal 990, and it looks like this. So natural, neutral colors. I'm just gonna take this shade here, and this shade is called Lush Life 962. I'm gonna take that probably in my crease and probably all over my eyelid. Since you guys want simple, I'm probably just gonna keep it to an one eyeshadow look. So I just want to add just a little dimension to my eyes because that really didn't give me much. So I'm just gonna take my bronzer, and this is the Girlactic bronzer in Cabo, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease to just define my eyelids just a little bit. I'm gonna use that same brush. That's all. So this is definition versus no definition. I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. I'm not gonna do too much on my brow bone, but I'm gonna take that same Il Makiage palette and I'm just gonna use this shade right here, and this shade is called Keep Rolling in 970. So I'm just gonna use that in the very inner corner slash tear duct. I asked you if you wanted wing liner or no winged liner. Ooh, close one. Ooh, this one's interesting. So 51% of you chose yes and 49% of you chose no. So winged liner it is, but that was really a close one. So for wing liner, I'm just gonna use my usual Superhero It Cosmetics liner. Okay, winged liner is done. Typically I'll come in after I put on my lashes and everything and touch that up. So speaking of, next is lashes. So I gave you the option of choosing lashes or no lashes, and 10% of you chose lashes and 43% of you chose no lashes. So lashes it is. So to prep my lashes for falsies, I'm just going to apply mascara, and I'm gonna use my Antonym Cosmetics mascara. This is the certified organic mascara, and it is Lola Lash 2 by Antonym. So for lashes today, I decided to switch it up, and I'm gonna use Cahia's Garden lashes. I've used these lashes once before, but they look like this. I like that they're like wispy and full all at the same time, so I'm gonna use these. Ooh, those are cute. So cute, so cute, so cute. Okay, and lately what I've been doing is something that I used to do like years ago, but I stopped. And I like to use a lash curler to kind of mesh my natural lashes and the lashes together. If you do this, just be very careful. Okay, and as I said, after I put on my lashes, sometimes I like to go back into the liner if I feel it needs touch-ups, and this definitely does need some touch-ups, so I'm just gonna fix my wing liner real quick. Okay, that's good, that's good. Okay, so I didn't ask you guys about this, but I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna add some liner into my, I'm gonna tight line, and I'm also gonna add it to my waterline. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take my bronzer and I'm gonna add some of that in under my lower lash line. Just a little bit of that, not too much. But now to finish off the eyes, I'm just gonna touch up my lashes one more time with my mascara, and I'm also gonna add some mascara to my lower lashes. Okay, so now I'm just gonna bronze up my face. So I'm just gonna take my sponge one more time, and I'm just gonna dip that into my powder foundation and just clean up my bronzer just a little bit with my bronzer and my contour. And then I'm just gonna go back in and... So I'm gonna go in with highlight, and I forgot to also include my highlight, but I'm gonna go in and use a different highlight, one that I haven't used in a long time. And this is by Artist Couture, and this is their Diamond Glow powders. Their Diamond Glow powder, and this is in Illuminati. Okay, so I also asked you guys about glitter in case you guys did choose the bolder eye look, and you guys said no anyways. 44% of you said no, 44% of you said yes, and 56% of you said no. So no glitter anyways. Okay, so for lips, I asked you guys if you wanted me to do a bold lip or a natural lip. 71% of you said natural and 29% of you said bold. I wanted to do a bold lip because it's been a while, and that's why I thought you guys were gonna choose bold, but you know what? I guess we're going natural. But before I do my lips, I'm actually gonna spray my face with my Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. And now let's move on to these natural lips that I do all the time. Shame on you. Shame on you. But for my lips today, I'm going to use my Carli Bybel Il Makiage collab. And I'm going to use the lip pencil in Bybel. So on top of that, I'm going to use the L'Oreal lipstick in Ultra Nude and 984. And it is a nude. Okay, and lastly, I asked you guys if I should use gloss or no gloss, and 67% of you guys said yes to gloss, and 33% of you guys said no gloss. So gloss it is, and I'm going to be using one of my favorite glosses, and that is the Carli Bybel and Il Makiage collab, and this is in the shade Star Child. Okay, you guys, so I just diffused my hair a little bit to give you guys a final look. But this is the final look. So as you guys can see, you all chose a really natural look. And this reminds me of like my everyday makeup when I want to go a little glam, a little more than just really natural, but still not too much. So yeah, so I plan to do more of these, but maybe not give you guys the option of natural and just go a little bit crazier, because I think this was fun and this was interactive, so I really enjoyed that. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys want to see part 2, part 3, part 4, maybe like a series of you guys choosing my makeup, then comment down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!